Alright, let me show you how I create a poster in Affinity. And honestly, this one only takes a few minutes. I will go just with the example through it won't be so much detailed, but you will get a point. So first thing, import your character PNG. This is going to be the main focus, the hero of the entire design. So make sure you placed nicely on the Canva before we move on. Now we will start with the adding effects. So if we go here to filters, or we can also go here to the new live filter layer. So go to blur and field. This field blur, this helps create depth, as you can see. So I will just put a little bit of it, not too much. Then we can go with next one is the glitch. So we go here, distort, and here we have glitch effect. So you see that what it's going on with this. So I will go here. You can change the number of channels. I will leave it on 3, and I will just put a little bit like so. Merge. After that, apply twirl effect. So go to the pixels. Now here to like so, and we go to distort and twirl effect. Now here you can see the ball, what we can do with it, having a little bit fun with it. So radius, as you can see, it can be played a little bit, so I will leave it like that just for now. To avoid everything looking too clean, we can add a little bit of noise. So right here, now new live filter layer, noise, add noise and intensity. So we can add, as you can see, a little bit of noise. I will leave it like that, merge. It gives a little bit of this texture and slightly gritty professional feel. Now we can add some text. So here I will put some, I will go like that. I will also choose the font. This is just an example, so that it won't look so good and professionally. So now we can also create some simple shapes like rectangle or circles. So we go here to this rectangle tool, double press, and you see that we have here a lot of shapes which we can use. So I will choose the star, so we can place it right here, like so. I will put different color that you can see. Okay, I will go with that one. Just a little bit smaller. Here we can add a text, fill. We can do a different, like so. This is just an example, so you can do it on your way. It doesn't matter really how you do it. Okay, so I will go with a different color. Then I can give here one more basketball, something like that. Okay, so now we can add foil texture just for some kind of background, just to play a little bit, nothing serious. Now we just need to play with the blending mode a little bit. So you go here and choose here these blend options, and we can play a little bit with this to get our something like that, for example. After that, as a final touches, we can apply. Okay, so now we can add also some rounded rectangle that won't be so empty. So just for example, I will place them a little bit here just to get a feeling a little bit. I will also select them and okay, oops, I will like so, and place them right in here. Now, for example, then we can use our filter here. We go to depth of field. I will put it right here, radius. We can play a little bit with this. Okay, so before what we can do is to merge all of this together, group them, and we can apply depth of field to the group basically. So like so, yes, and play just with this, that we don't impact the whole image but just these rectangles here, like so. After that we can also put some let's say ripple. It will affect something like this, as you can see, so it looks pretty cool. And for the end we can also apply right here to colors, halftone. As you can see, this contrast, I will go something like that. We can also give screen angle if we like. We can then choose blend mode, so whatever you prefer. So we can go with color burn, we can go like with overlay, whatever, it looks great. So I will go with vivid light. And yeah, it's not special, but it is the presentation how you can make the poster here in Affinity. So I hope this video was helpful a little bit how to use what to use for a poster. I hope you like it. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.